Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the National Civil Services in India and how aspirants are preparing to ace it. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered who makes sure roads get built, schools run smoothly, and laws are enforced? The answer lies in the backbone of our government, the National Civil Services of India. They are responsible for implementing government policies, managing various departments, and ensuring the smooth functioning of the country. They design policies that affect education, healthcare, and infrastructure development, all of which directly impact your life. Their work in various government departments, like the police force, tax administration, public health, and many more, ensures essential services reach every citizen. Every year on 21st April, the nation dedicates a day to recognize the silent heroes, the civil servants. This day is called National Civil Services Day. In 1947, on this very day, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of independent India, addressed a group of new civil servants as the steel frame of India. National Civil Services. The National Civil Services comprise three main groups: All India Services, AIS, Central Civil Services, Group A and B, and State Civil Services. The prestigious All India Services include the Indian Administrative Service, IS, Indian Police Service, IPS, and Indian Foreign Service. A civil servant is an individual employed by a government department or agency to carry out public sector tasks. While not elected by the public, civil servants are ultimately accountable to the government and the public they serve. Contribution of some of the civil services. Indian Administrative Service, their slew of reforms changed the electoral landscape, made the Indian stock market more efficient and transparent, and brought in people's participation in government infrastructure projects. Indian Police Service, they have taken some of the most critical situations head-on and sacrificed their lives for the nation. They have helped the nation maintain law and order, combat insurgency, and bring criminals to justice. Indian Forest Service, IFS officers served as stewards of India's forests, ensuring their health and productivity for the benefit of the environment, wildlife, and present and future generations. Indian Revenue Service, IRS officers investigated cases of corruption and tax fraud, ensuring fair and accountable governance. They served as the guardians of the nation's finances, ensuring a stable and sustainable flow of revenue that fuels India's economic growth. Civil Service Aspire. The dream of serving the nation attracts many bright minds to the civil services. The Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, conducts exams to recruit officers for the AIS and many central civil services. Becoming a civil servant, an IS, IPS or IFS officer, or a member of numerous other prestigious services, represents a pinnacle of achievement. Civil Service Journey. Countless aspirants migrate to preparation hubs where coaching institutes and libraries become their existence. Study days stretch for 12 or 14 hours, filled with poring over thick textbooks, analyzing current affairs, and practicing mock exams. The vast syllabus from history and politics to optional subjects like anthropology and literature demands both breadth and depth of knowledge. Many aspirants dedicate multiple years to preparation, enduring the heartbreak of unsuccessful attempts. The highly competitive nature of the exam is where true resilience is tested. For those who eventually see their names on the coveted list, it's an experience like no other. Families and communities rejoice, and the years of sacrifice seem to melt away. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: the National Civil Services of India form the backbone of the government, responsible for implementing policies and ensuring the country's smooth functioning. Civil servants, including IS, IPS, and IFS officers, play a crucial role in shaping policies that impact education, healthcare, and infrastructure development. The civil services preparation journey is challenging, requiring dedication and resilience, but it ultimately offers the opportunity to serve the nation and make a meaningful impact. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.